Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you bright wish bedside lamp with touch control. This is light minute diet table lamp with a touch function. This is a small lamp with cable. It's a globe table lamp with a metal base. Small touch lamp. You can use it as a night light with 3000 Kelvin warm watt, an E27 socket for the bedroom, for the living room, and anywhere you like to get the light. The reinforced aluminum base is equipped with a high precision touch sensor. We simply tap anywhere on the metal base or turn the light on or off. No cumbersome searching for switches in the dark. Super easy and convenient. The small bedside lamp with a touch control comes with a 7-watt E27 LED mid-diode light bulb with frosted glass flask that produces a uniform 360-degree light. The warm white 3000K light creates a gauzy atmosphere without flickering or glare, and it's gentle to our eyes. This small table lamp combines the modern minimalism with a classic vintage charm, stylish and practical at the same time. Thanks to the compact size, ideal for small corners, shelves, living rooms, or bedside tables, the touch lamp is suitable as an LED bedside lamp, reading lamp, for studying, for decorative small areas, for nice living room areas, or a bedside lamp with cable connection that fits perfect into any room, and it meets all lighting and decor needs. And of course, the bedside lamps comes with a bulb and a metal base and a plug, of course. We simply screw the bulb in position, we plug it in, tap it on, and we will immediately enjoy the warm light. Super fast, ready to use for us. And if it is too bright for you, or maybe it's not bright enough for you, you can buy an additional E27 bulb and replace it with the existing bulb, and then you can't use it anymore, because there fits other types of bulbs with the A22 socket, as well, as you can see. Of course, maybe it looks not like the big area bulb, of course, or it starts flicking at something else. Yes, of course, because the original one you have to replace, for example. But it is good for the future, good for if the bulb maybe is damaged after 5 years of use, for example. Then you can replace it, the bulb, and continue using this lamp. This is good for the nature. Mid-century modern touch lamp with a bedside table. Timeless vintage charm meets the functional lighting solution. Touch control. Easy to use. Touch any part of the lamp base to turn the light on or off if you like. And gentle relief for dried ice with 360 scattering angle. The matte glass flash distributed. Soft, even light, whatever interlacedly smooth fire our eyes, not because it's smooth. This is the Bright Wiz bedside lamp with touch function. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon. Bing.